Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to review this new mechanical keyboard from ProtoArt company. We are going to unpack and do the initial check what this keyboard is about. As a disclaimer, this video review is not sponsored by ProtoArt company. I decided to buy and check it out by myself, so let's go to the review. Okay, let's do the opening. Let's see what we have inside of this box. And there we go. Voila! Here we have keyboard itself. It's beautifully designed with a matte black finish and like it's kind of minimalist layout. Build quality looks pretty solid and nice weight to it. So it's kind of premium feel. Okay. We have a stick to connect. We have a special tool for keyboard removal. We have a manual what we will use to understand how to use the keyboard, and we have a keyboard itself, and it can be elevated a little bit. Okay, this is a place for the stick. If you need to travel, you can put the stick inside, or maybe this way, yeah, right, and easily remove. And you know, it's quite nice. It's with a built-in magnet, so it stick inside and do not fall out. So nice. Okay, I propose what we will do. We will try to connect this keyboard and do some initial review. Stay tuned. Okay, next let's try to charge this keyboard. I have a kind of desktop charger over there, and we can connect this keyboard with USB Type-C, and it will start charging. Okay guys, let's try to connect this keyboard to my Mac. So based on the manual, we need to switch on the keyboard on this side. Okay, and now we need to press FNK plus, but basically I can see already that we have this keyboard shown as a device. Okay, let me move this. Let's do continue. Okay, identify your keyboard, and I need to press a key immediately the right of the shift key. This one or this one. Okay, and this one. So I don't know, standard one. Okay, cool. So now we can try to type something, right? So we can type, hey, ProtoArt, we are doing an review of your amazing new keyboard. And what's the name of the keyboard? It's K301. Yeah, you know, it's very nice and nice touch and nice feel, and also you can hear the sound, or basically you can hear very low or quiet sound, right? Let's do one more test. So let's do some typing exercise. I will try to type something, I don't know, from the manual. Okay. You can see and you can hear that sound of typing is very pleasant, at least for me. And this is another color of this F1, 2, 3, and 4. Quite, I'm not sure about this logo on space button. I'm not sure I want to know each time that this is Proto Arc, but you know, branding is important, so I can understand. By the way, it's this side, it seems it's metal. It's quite interesting. Okay. Okay, guys, I was able really easily, connect this keyboard to my iPad. I just, you know, press this FN plus F4 and open Bluetooth settings on my iPad. And now I'm able to type something on my iPad. So let's try and do this. Kind of, you know, I was able to connect this keyboard to my MacBook Pro. Yay. Okay, now let's talk about the backlight. So with this keyboard, you have 14 backlight modes to choose from, and it's quite bright and evenly distributed. And really, it's making easy to type, even like, you know, if it's a dark or dimly light environment. And it's very easy to adjust. You can just press this FN button with the right shift, and you can change the mode of backlighting. So let me show you. I will switch off my desktop light and we'll change a couple of modes. So it's a little brighter. You can see this, I don't know what's flashing, or from left to right, or off, a kind of random backlights, or from down to up. Oh, this was is nice. Yay. Funny one. Okay, let me try to find the real what could be useful. This one, I think it's fine. Yeah. I think it's cool. Also, you have these two options for Windows and for Mac. You can switch these modes. Yeah. And also, I need to say that one of the standout features of this keyboard is compact size. You can compare it with my iPad Pro, and it's not like, you know, two different. And yeah, with a 75% layout and 84 case, this keyboard MECH K301 is perfect for those who need to like a portable keyboard during the traveling or your business trips, or just, you know, um, if you go to the coffee and want to work with your iPad and this keyboard from the coffee shop or something like that. Yeah, it retains essential shortcut keyboards. You can see all of them, and you have this arrow case. So it's super nice. You can easily maintain your productivity on the go. So as you can see, this keyboard can work seamlessly with all Windows system or Mac OS or Android. Whenever you're using a Windows laptop or iMac or MacBook Pro or MacBook Air, iPad, smartphone, this keyboard has got you covered. Okay, guys, let's try to use this interesting tool. My idea was that it's a button removal tool, and let's try to do so. So you can do it like this, up, and now you can see this is a button inside, and also you can see this red stick, or I don't know how to say, and it's quite easy to do. So I understand if you can change any of this button to something else, you can easily do this with this tool. Yeah, nice. Okay, what we can say as a summary of this review, i'm I'm fairly impressed with the build quality. It's feel and look very nice, and also its versatile connection options and compact design. You saw that keyboard feels comfortable to type on, and the mechanical red switches provide a satisfying tactical response without being too loud. I'm excited to test it out and see how it performs in real world usage. I will continue to use this keyboard maybe for a couple of weeks, and then I will be able to share with you my, you know, pros and cons of real life usage. But so far so good. And that's it for this unboxing and first impression experience of the keyboard. Stay tuned for our in-depth review, where we'll dive deeper into its performance and my personal user experience. Yeah, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it thumb up and subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews. Yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.